Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can see end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the chats section, people, and right here you're going to find your stories. So right now, I'm going to go to chats. Here in the chats, you're going to find all of your conversations. And right here in the top, you're going to find your notes and also your friends' notes. So right now, for example, I'm going to go to a conversation. For example, I'm going to click on this one. And then once you're here in the conversation, if you want to see the end-to-end encryption for this conversation, just go right here to the top right corner and then click on this icon right here. Once you do that right here, you're going to find all of the options related to this conversation. So just go ahead and scroll a little bit down. Right here under privacy and support, you're going to find the option to read, to turn on or turn off read receipts. Here you're going to find verify end-to-end encryption, disappearing messages, restrict conversation, block, and lastly, report. Go ahead and click on verify end-to-end encryption. And then as you can see guys from here, you can verify your end-to-end encryption. So you can either click right here if you want to see the encryption for the other person, or if you want to see your end-to-end encryption, just go ahead and click on it and then you're going to be able to see it. So you can compare your key with the other person's keys to check messages and calls are secured with end-to-end encryption. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.